If you want to add custom stickers in CapCut for PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use your own PNG or JPEG image as a custom sticker inside the free version of CapCut Desktop. And I'll also show you how to place it on your timeline, resize it, and customize it so it looks clean and professional. This is a super useful trick if you want to add logos, emojis, icons, labels, or any personal sticker style to your videos without needing expensive software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let's jump right in. First, make sure your sticker image is ready on your computer. For the best results, use a PNG file with a transparent background because that helps the sticker blend naturally into your video. If you only have a JPEG, that can still work too, but a transparent PNG usually looks much better. Once your image is prepared, open CapCut Desktop Video Editor and load your project. Now look at the top left area of the screen and click on the Media tab. This is where CapCut lets you import your own files into the project. From there, click the Import button and browse your computer for the custom sticker image you want to use. Select the file and import it into CapCut. After the image appears in your Media panel, you're ready for the next step. Now drag and drop that image from the Media panel onto the timeline. For a sticker effect, place it on a track above your main video layer so it sits on top of the footage instead of replacing it. That way, the sticker behaves like an overlay and stays visible in the scene. Once it's on the timeline, click on the sticker clip to select it. Then go to the preview window and use the corner handles to resize it. You can make it larger, smaller, or place it anywhere on the screen depending on the look you want. If you want the sticker to appear in a specific spot, simply drag it into position in the preview window. You can also use the right side panel to fine-tune the appearance. For example, if the sticker feels too strong or too bright, adjust the opacity to make it blend better with the video. And if you want it to animate in or out, open the animation tab and choose an effect that fits your style. This is a great way to make your sticker feel more dynamic instead of just sitting still on the screen. If you're using the built-in free AI sticker generator in CapCut, you can also explore that option for quick sticker-style graphics, but for full control and custom branding, importing your own image is usually the best choice. It gives you more freedom to use logos, handwritten designs, social icons, or unique shapes that match your content. A good tip is to keep your sticker clean and simple so it stands out without distracting from the main video. You can also duplicate the sticker if you need it to appear more than once, or adjust the timing on the timeline so it only shows when needed. That makes your editing look much more polished and intentional. Once everything looks right, play back the video to check the placement, size, and timing of the sticker. If it looks good, you're done. You've successfully added a custom sticker in CapCut on PC using the free version. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.